welcome or welcome back to our channel. Again I'm back with new video. Today's video is not a food challenge or anything. Today I'm going to review this Instagram store that's called Fashion Click. I'll leave that name and everything you can see in the screen also, and I'll leave the link everything in the description box also. So actually I placed order before 2.5 months, okay, and it's an Instagram store with lots of followers and all. They have like so nice followers and all, okay, and they have like some highlights of customer review and all, okay. So but the bad thing is like whatever I order I didn't get anything, okay, and it's like totally different, and they have sent me everything in 222. Actually I ordered 9 t-shirts, and that's also 79 and 69 rupees one. Total is 700. Is the 700 something I paid. That's a prepaid. They don't have the cash and delivery option, so you have to do the prepaid payment. So I thought they have like so nice followers and all. So I thought it's a good store. They are not fake. They are not fraud. And afterwards I noticed that you can't comment because they have a blocked, closed every comment section. You can't comment, and whenever you text them in Instagram, there is the like computer generated text, right, which you get like you can shop from this, like click the link one. Every time whenever I message like regarding my order, when I will get everything, I got that message only, and I tried to mail them so many times. I will display that, you can see in my screen also. I mailed them so many times, they didn't reply only. Hardly I think once or twice they replied me. And finally after 2.5 months I got my delivery in this bag. Can you guess that 9 t-shirts are inside this? When I received this I was like, is it like everything is there, 9 t-shirts, and inside there is one note. This is like, dear, hope you are doing well. We know it's been super delay, but due to lockdown our stock has been stocked in transit, so we are sending the best seller in the same range, as we don't wanted to delay the courier. We will make sure you love the service next time. Hope you love this one. Love. Here's a special coupon exclusively for you. Special 5 is there, some code. I don't want this. And let's talk about the clothes, t-shirts which I got. I was like super excited to open this, and when I opened this I was like so upset. Like, you know, waiting for something like from 2.5 months, and you are getting like which you never expected. That is like totally disappointment. So, and I will show you all pictures which I order, okay. That I have that mail everything, so I will display, okay. You can see in my screen also. So this is the one t-shirts which I got, which I didn't order only. I don't think so they have this in their website also. And maybe you can see this, it's so transparent. Same t-shirts they have sent me 2. See, same t-shirts they have sent me 2. They don't have any tag, anything here, anything written, okay. And the material is so bad. So I never expected this, okay. And they have sent me this black t-shirts. I ordered one black t-shirts which is totally not this, okay. They have this full printed, okay, and I guess you can see this, how transparent it is. I think my camera is focusing it. Maybe you are able to see. And it's like and same t-shirts they have sent me 2. See, same that ये transparent वाला, ये so bad quality. I know. And this t-shirts I will show you the pictures in display, okay, which I ordered one. That is also not this color, I guess. They have shown this that full length wala t-shirts, but they have sent me this half. I don't know how it become half. And see the material, it's so transparent, so kachada wala material. Oh my god, I will never ever wear this kind of clothes in my life, and I will not also. See this. This one also same t-shirt they sent me too. That's great. I don't know what I will do. Like for getting deliver, I wait 2.5 months, and now for return I don't know how many months I should wait. They will reply or not, I don't know. I don't know what I will do this. If anyone want, please comment. I'm going to give you. See,
giveaway.
Yeah, not a giveaway. I will give you like that only. I don't want this. It's, and one more is this one. Oh my god. By seeing this also, I'm like getting so frustrated. I was like, I want to kill you like that. See, it's so bad. It's so transparent. In 9 t-shirt, they didn't even send me one also good t-shirt which I can wear. Like, मन को शांति मिल जाती कि like एक भी अच्छा होता, तो one is also not good यार. See, same pink color again too. 8 over. Now this one. This one is only single piece, and it's so transparent, yeah. It's so transparent. See, I don't know what I'm going to do. So these all are the 9 total t-shirts, and I will, by seeing that photo also, you can get to know that what is shown in their website and what they are sending. It's such a fraud website, yeah. It's such a fraud. You be aware of this kind of store before shopping anything. And Instagram is a place where you're like, you can't trust easily, I know. And but I thought like by seeing so many followers and all and review and all, I thought like it's a good one, and 1671 ही तो है. So I thought I will try. Let's try. At least 1 or 2 I will get better. Okay. I thought like what I order, like, जो order किया था ना वो मिलेगा, material अच्छा नहीं होगा तो भी चलेगा. पर मैंने order क्या किया था और मुझे मिला क्या? It's like totally disappointment. So I'm not telling you कि don't shop and all. If you want, after seeing this also, you can go and spend your money. It will be like waste. Let's enjoy. And if anyone want, please contact me. Please comment. I will send you in your location and enjoy this. So thank you so much. Be aware of such fraud websites and all. And if you like this video, please tag them. Please, through this, share this video. Through this, many people want to waste their money. They will be aware of that. Before, I don't know about this, okay? If I know about this website, this and all, I have never ever shop. There are so many good websites also where you can shop in Instagram, but be aware of that, okay? Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in next video.